Let's make cucumber salad. Start by preparing the cucumbers. Wash it thoroughly and pat dry with a clean towel. Peel the cucumber. You also have the option to leave the skin on. Slice the cucumbers crosswise into paper-thin rounds. Then transfer this to a mixing bowl. Set this aside for now and start to prepare the onion. Slice the onion into thin pieces. And combine this with the cucumber. Toss until everything is well blended. Start to make the dressing. Combine salt, ground black pepper, and sugar. Then mix it all together. Add grated ginger, and pour the white vinegar. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Pour the dressing into the cucumber and onion mixture. Toss gently to coat all the pieces evenly. Now cover the bowl and refrigerate this for at least 2 hours before serving. Here is your cucumber salad. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.